Hi there, YouTubers. This is Theaposlsf, and it's true. So today I'm going to tell you just a few facts about myself. But be careful. I'm really good at this. I hate kids. I know I'm a youth pastor and everything, but kids really stink. Literally. The little ones have the diapers, and when they grow up, then they're always sweating, and they don't know how to take care of it, and they don't use deodorant, and it is not a pleasant time. And they always think they know everything. Hey kids, I'm actually married. I've been married for the past 3 years. Yeah, it's tough for me to remember, I know. And yeah, that's I don't think I ever told you guys that. So yeah, that's the deal. I'm a security guard for the Bills at Ralph Wilson Stadium. Oh yeah. I get to watch any game I want to work. I'm the best. Or as Dane Cook would say. I actually don't know what Dane Cook would say in this situation. I actually have perfect 20/20 vision. These glasses, they just make me look cool, I think. So I wear them. This place is beautiful. See, I am lactose intolerant. I ignore that fact, but I'm not supposed to drink milk. Yeah. Ice cream. You know it. You know it. That's ice cream in there. I have tattoos covering almost every inch of my body from here and here down. It cost a lot of money, but I held a job before that was actually pretty good to me. I'd make enough for one tattoo a day, so that's how I got them all. Yeah. Don't worry, it's all good stuff. There's no naked ladies or anything. I'm not that kind of guy. But yeah. Oh yeah. See that? Whoop. There we go. That's the first of many. Oh yeah. It all starts right there. Told ya. One of my childhood heroes was actually Kermit the Frog. I looked up to him, and I thought I wanted to grow up to be a frog one day. Yeah. A frog. I even bought his book. Look at that. Before You Leap, The Frog's Eye View of Life's Greatest Lessons. By Kermit the Frog. It's not easy being green. Oddly enough, this one you may, in fact, I'm sure none of you know. I was actually the inspiration for the character Leonidas from the movie 300. I don't know if you see it. I don't know if you see the resemblance, but it's totally there. Look it up. Watch the movie again. I was the inspiration for Leonidas. Just telling you.
The old ones say we Spartans were descended from Hercules himself. Bold Leonidas gives testament to that fact. His roar is long and loud.
So remember my name. And always remember, I'm probably lying. Find me at a later date. But this is no lie.